The Atlantic hurricane season will officially start this Saturday, June 1st, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration is predicting a very busy season with about 8 to 13 hurricanes forming. All this month on KVUE News, we've been presenting a special series of reports highlighting Severe Weather Month in Central Texas. And today, meteorologist Shane Hinton looks at hurricane season just a few days before it starts.
Shane says that even though we're not on the Texas Gulf Coast, we're close enough to feel the effects of hurricane weather.
While Central Texas isn't directly on the Texas coastline, we still feel impacts locally. Historically, our area has experienced major flooding, devastating tornadoes, and damaging wind from tropical storms and hurricanes that came ashore along the Texas Gulf Coast. Hurricanes are basically areas of low pressure which form over warm tropical water. These powerful storms navigate throughout the ocean, bringing heavy rainfall, powerful wind, and destructive storm surge. The Atlantic hurricane season runs from June 1st through November 30th, with peak activity occurring around September 10th. An average hurricane season consists of 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. The upcoming 2024 hurricane season is expected to be an extraordinary one, with a well above normal forecast in the Atlantic. Even though Austin is 200 miles from the Gulf of Mexico, past hurricanes have affected us here in Central Texas. You wouldn't be able to tell just by walking through this Miller neighborhood today that tornadoes spawned by Hurricane Allen in 1980 damaged planes at what was formerly the Miller Airport. In Travis County, an EF0, EF1, and EF2 tornado formed. Across the Central Texas area, a total of 11 tornadoes occurred as Hurricane Allen made landfall in South Texas, just northeast of Brownsville, and eventually moved throughout northern Mexico. Central Texas is no stranger to flooding, and Hermine in 2010 brought some of the most notable heavy rainfall to the area. Flooding occurred in parts of Georgetown, which recorded over 13 inches of rainfall. Hurricane Harvey was a historic storm for many reasons, but locally it brought record flooding to Fayette County in LaGrange. And according to climate experts, flooding concerns will be on the rise due to climate change.
And we know that with human-caused climate change, rainfall with hurricanes is going up, something by like 10 to 15% across the storms that we see.
The 2024 hurricane season could shape up to be a bumpy one for the Atlantic Basin. NOAA released its most active May outlook to date with a forecast of 8 to 13 hurricanes, with 4 to 7 of those becoming major hurricanes. Reporting for the KVUE Weather Team, I'm meteorologist Shane Hinton.
If you want to see more of our Severe Weather Month coverage, including stories about hail and flash flooding, download the KVUE Plus app. That's also where you can find live severe weather updates.